Welcome to my channel. It's Miss Tay Rosé. Today I'm here with you with a yellow cut crease makeup tutorial. And yes, this makeup look does complement my blue hair. All the information regarding this unit will be in the description box above. But anyway, if you want to see the products I used to achieve this look and how I achieved it, make sure you keep on watching. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air Color Icon palette, and I'm actually going to take shade number 10, and I'm going to apply that as my transition shade. Not only am I going to apply this shade as my transition color, but I'm also going to apply this as part of my outer third shade as well. Now it's time to cut the crease. Now for cutting the crease, I'm going to use my same Rimmel concealer in 300 or medium, along with this tiny eyeshadow brush to do the trick. If you see that my camera is acting funky, I apologize. Still, I'm trying to figure out what is going on with this camera. Haven't had it for like a full year yet. Next step is going to be me setting my concealer, not with sun powder, but I'm gonna delve into this Beauty Glaze Sunset Dusk palette, and I'm going to use the shade Ginger. So now once I apply the ginger on, so I'm going to go back to the Sunset Dusk palette by Beauty Glaze, and I'm going to apply Volcano. I'm going to blend out that cut crease boundary and that outer third color. Before I go back into that Volcano shade again, I'm going to take my clean brush that I use for ginger and blend it out, or blend out that Volcano so that there's that ombre effect. So now taking this pencil brush, I'm going to dip back into the Volcano shade from the Sunset Dusk palette and sharpen that cut crease boundary where my transition shade is. Now before I do anything else, I'm going to dust away this bake. And of course clean up around the edges. Pardon me. So now for this look, I will not be doing anything to my bottom lash line. I'm going to leave that as is and just apply some mascara. But I will be doing my tear ducts alongside my brow light or my eyebrow highlight using this BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel Palette set. Now in order for me to accomplish the two, I'm going to use this awesome gold shade right here. I'm telling you from now, like, this color will have you shook. Like, look at my eyebrow highlight. So now for the final step are the lashes, and these lashes they're very fluffy. This is my very first pair of fluffy lashes that I got, and I'm absolutely in love. Now these come in the style F41. This is how it looks. So I'm going to apply my other lash on my right eye. I'm going to finish dressing my face off camera, and I'll be right back at you. I just finished dressing my face off camera, and now it is time for the lips. So now for my lips, I'll be going in with this MAC lipstick, and this is in the shade Velvet Teddy. So this eye look and this lippy combined together, double Tay Rosé approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to comment down any other makeup looks that you'd like to see with any of those palettes. If you are a new viewer, please click on that subscribe button. Once you're finished doing that, also please click on that bell so you're notified as to when my videos are out. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!